In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiences in Google Ads, specifically for the year 2025. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively set up target audiences to enhance your online advertising campaigns. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the official Google Ads website. Google Ads is a powerful tool that offers ways to connect with potential customers through various advertising strategies, and setting up audiences correctly is key to maximizing its potential. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, locate the Sign In button. Click on it to access your account. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll need to create an account, but if you're already set up, simply proceed to sign in with your credentials. Following the successful login, you will land on the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your campaigns, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since your last visit. The next step is to navigate to the Tools section. You can find this option in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on Tools will display a drop down menu filled with various options necessary for managing and analyzing your campaigns. Within the drop down, click on Shared Library. This section stores settings and options that can be applied across multiple campaigns, so having your shared library well organized is a big plus. Now, within the shared library, you'll see an option called Audience Manager. Click on it. This area of Google Ads is designed specifically for creating and managing all of your audience lists. The Audience Manager allows you to target exactly who you want to reach with precision. Once you're in the Audience Manager, look for a tab or section labeled Audiences. In this section, you'll be able to see any existing audiences you might have already created. If this is your first time, don't worry, we'll go through creating a new one next. Now, to create a new audience, simply click on the Create Audience button. This action will open a form or interface that guides you through defining your new audience. You can choose demographic details, include specific behaviors, or even set up custom combinations based on your marketing needs. Throughout this process, consider the type of customers you're aiming to attract and tailor the audience settings accordingly. You want these audiences to reflect the people who are most likely to engage with your brand and offerings. By following these steps, you can effectively create audiences in Google Ads for 2025, customizing them to suit your specific marketing objectives. Remember to constantly revisit and refine your audiences based on campaign performance and emerging business trends to optimize results. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide enhances your advertising strategy.